Everyone, this is Navodipa and welcome to Arts with Astes. So in this channel we talk about abstract acrylic art painting, and this is the first video. I'm very excited about this, and it's not every day that your little niece, who is this cute little baby, turns 5 years old. So this is her birthday kind of flash video that I want to introduce my channel to. As to launch our channel today, I'm planning to make a video on this baby. I want to portray some of my emotions with hers through an art medium. So let's get started to the video first.
Before I started this painting, I had to think it through. Like, I am gifting this to a 5 years old, and I am talking about abstract art. So I had to make sure that the person whom I am gifting this, she also gets the point of this total artworks. So I thought that a complete abstract artwork will be of no use or of no worth if the one I am gifting it to, she cannot even gets the point. So that's why I thought of mixing a portrait with some abstract message in it. So that's why I wanted her to understand that, okay, this is an art piece and this is about me because my face is in there. So I started with her painting, her portrait. I started with this artwork with a reference picture of hers. Total message I wanted to give by this painting is that all babies are like flowers and you are a special flower, and that was the main message I wanted to give. That part of this picture is kind of abstract part, and as I'm gifting this to a 5 years old, I have to think it through also, so that that person can get the point of total whole gifting things. So that's how I started this painting. I am done with the base coloring, and now I'm doing the detailing part, so that the colors are, the detailing part, that if you want me to do such videos on the tutorial of portrait also, you can ask in the comment section, or if you have any other kind of birthday related gifting ideas in your mind which has to deal with, you can please share with me in the comments section. That will be really helpful. and I really wanted to I'm done with the portrait part and I want to go to the flowering sections now, so that to give this portrait an abstract look. I mean, the message that is the all babies are like flowers. This message, for that I want to blend her dress with a lot of flowers, so that it feels like it gives a very different tone of the colors. It blends properly and it gives a real good look to this. And yes, that's why I'm thinking it like I'm thinking of yellow coloring it yellow to give it the real good looks to the color balance of this, and the saturation part also. So that's what. If you want me to do some other tutorial kind of videos also, you can always let me know in the comments section. I'll be happy to do such videos as well. And garden. So now I'm painting a butterfly over the garden to represent that yes, baby, you are full of joy and full of friends over here, and you're not alone. Like you, all the babies are there, and you have friends also, and family, of course, and everyone you need, everything you need, you will be provided with by your friends or by your family, and everything will be there at the right time, at the right position. That's why I'm painting this. I'm thinking of painting this butterfly. So that's the main reason behind it.
and do comment in the comment section that what else birthday gifting ideas do you have in your mind as an artist, and when specifically when you're out of your home. And I will be really excited to do more videos about that topic. And see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel if you really enjoyed the video. That will really make me motivated for next videos. Thank you very much.